The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the current loop cycle and move directly to the next one. It is commonly used in for each, while, and do loops when certain values or conditions should be ignored during processing. Instead of exiting the entire loop, it simply avoids executing the remaining instructions in the current iteration. This is helpful when only specific cases need to be processed and others should be skipped, such as filtering out unwanted values or avoiding operations on invalid input. In nested loops, continue affects only the innermost loop where it appears, allowing precise control over repeated execution.